Welcome to BioThought. So, in the previous class, we were discussing about plant kingdom first page. Now we are going to the second page, which is the 24th page in the Ncert textbook. So we were saying like when we consider the natural classification system, we will go through the last line. Natural classification system developed as against this, which were based on natural affinities among the organisms and considering what they consider not only the external features but also the internal features like ultrastructure, anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry. Phyto means plant. So such a classification for flowering plants was given by George Bentham and Joseph Dalton Hooker. This is very important. Who discovered it? I mean, who put it forward, that classification and all. And at present, the phylogenetic classification system based on evolutionary relationship, phylogenetic means between the various organisms are acceptable, and this assumes that the organism belonging to the same taxa is having what? They are having a common ancestor. And we now use information from many other sources too to help in resolve difficulties in classification. We have using different sources, and these become more important when there is no supporting fossil evidence. Fossil means that paleontology studies we will use, right? The skeleton deposits and from the ground, and numerical if in case of the plant it will be the plant imprintings and all, and the numerical taxonomy which is now easily carried out using the computers is based on observable characteristics. Okay. Now numerical taxonomy is based on observable characteristics, and number and codes are assigned to all characters and that the data are processed. So in numerical taxonomy, the number and codes are assigned. In this way, each character is given equal importance. At the same time, hundreds of characters can be considered. Then cyto means what? Cell, right? So cytotaxonomy, that is based on the cytological information like chromosome number, chromosome structure, behavior, and chemotaxonomy, that is chemical. Chemo means chemical. Taxonomy means classification, that use chemical constituents of plants to resolve the confusions and used by the taxonomies these days. So that will take the account of the chemical constituents of the plants. Okay. So there are phylogenetic classification, numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, okay, chemotaxonomy. Then coming to the algae. So what do you know about algae? Wait a second. Yes, algae are chlorophyll bearing, simple structure, thalloid. What is simple thalloid structure? That means they don't have no stem and no leaves and no root. Okay. Autotrophic, that means they synthesize on food, and largely aquatic, that is both freshwater and marine organisms, and they occur in a variety of other habitats, moist stones, soils, woods and all. And some of them also occur in association with fungi. Then it is called as lichen. And in animals, examples like sloth bear, they have shown association. And the form and size of algae is highly variable, ranging from colonial forms of groups like volvox, and filamentous means thread-like hair like Eulothrus and Spirogyra, and few of the marine forms such as kelps. They form what? They form massive plant bodies. Kelps will form massive plant bodies. Then algae reproduce by vegetative, then what? Asexual and sexual methods, and vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation. That means each fragment develop into a thallus. Thallus structure means no stem, no leaf and no root, simple structure. And asexual reproduction is by the production of different types of spores, and these are the haploid spores, and the most common being is the zoospores, right? Now, they have flagellated, motile, on germination give rise to new plants. They are flagellated, and motile, and on germination give rise to, motile means what? Movement is there, and give rise to new plants. And sexual reproduction takes place through the fusion of two gametes fusion, and these gametes can be flagellated. They can be flagellated and similar in size like Eulothrus, and non-flagellated, that is flagella is absent, non-motile, no, there is no movement, but similar in size is called as Spirogyra. If it is similar in size and flagellated, it is Eulothrus example. If it is not flagellated, no movement, but similar in size, then Spirogyra. Such reproduction is called as isogamous, similar in size. Fusion of two gametes dissimilar in size as species in Eudorina is termed as anisogamous. Okay, fusion between one large non non-motile. Non-motile means what? Static, they are not moving. Female gamete and a small motile male gamete, that is movement is there. Then it is called as oogamous, that is volvox and fucus. So we have seen here anisogamous, isogamous, yes, anisogamous, isogamous, oogamous. Right? Yes. So aniso means that is what? Dissimilar in size. Iso means what? Similar in size. Oogamous means what? One is large and non-motile and other is a motile smaller one, gamete. So it is oogamous. That's all regarding NCERT's this page of 24th page, and we will be discussing entire NCERT line by line series. So do watch, do subscribe, and that's it. Thank you.